Have you ever watched a monkey swing through the trees? They don't hesitate. They leap, trust their grip, and keep moving forward. Sure, they might slip, but they always get back up with a smile and a shake. Life's a lot like that jungle. You might face a few wobbly branches, but don't let fear stop you. Be like the monkey, curious, bold, and full of energy. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to try again and again. Keep climbing, keep reaching. Your next leap could take you somewhere amazing. So go ahead, swing into action,